Hi, I'm attorney Joel Beck of the Beck Law Firm, LLC in Lawrenceville, Georgia. In this video series, we're going to discuss 10 mistakes that you want to avoid in your estate plan. The fourth mistake I want to address in this series is giving one thing to two or more people. Maybe you've got a beach condo or a cabin in the mountains and you want to leave it to several family members, maybe all of the children. Well, that may sound nice and it may work out, but that's ripe with potential problems in terms of how is that going to be managed? How are they going to split it? What's going to happen? So before considering doing that, you really have to think through the practicalities of how this is going to work. Or if you've got one piece of personal property, an antique or a car or what have you, how does that really get split among two people or so? If you want the actual item kept to be enjoyed by both or by all three or four or what have you, that can be problematic. So you've really got to think through a scenario where you're going to try to give one thing to multiple people. Sometimes this comes into play with a small family-owned business as well. And it can be very problematic when you've got maybe one child that's involved in the business that works there, and now you're going to give the business to not only that child, but his or her other sibling or siblings, and now they're all going to be involved. This can be very dicey, and before you consider an option like that, you really need to spend some good time with an estate and business planning attorney to look at how this will best work so that you can protect the interest of the child who's been involved in the business, protect the operation of the business going forward from interference with people who aren't involved and don't know anything about it, as well as, though, protect certain inheritance rights of the other people. There are ways to deal with that. So before you look at giving one thing to two or more people, be very careful that you don't make a mistake. Now be sure to watch our other videos in this series for the other 10 mistakes that you want to avoid in your own estate plan. If you'd like additional information on estate planning in Georgia, I invite you to visit our website at thebeckfirm.com. Once there, click on the link at the top that says Free Info, and you'll be able to request various free guides and reports that we have available free of charge for you, no strings attached. And if you're ready to get started and get the help you need to get your estate plan in order, I invite you to give us a call. You can reach us at 678-344-5342. Thanks.